Class 10 children, today we will learn chapter 16, trigonometrical identities and tables. So this is a chapter all about trigonometry. It's a second chapter of the trigonometry portion. So let us begin this chapter. First of all, we should learn some very important formulas of this chapter, and the formulas are, trigonometrical formulas are square relations. Like these formulas have been divided into three sections. One is square relation, second section is reciprocal relation, and third portion is quotient relations. And some algebraic formula also are very important here. So let us begin. In square relations, I will begin here. Number one formula, sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So you should remember this, and then automatically from this particular portion another 4 formulas will come. In total 5, but you should learn only the first portion. And from here, if you make sine square theta alone, then the plus cos square theta will go that side, and the answer will be 1 minus cos square theta. And if you remove square from the left side, you get root over on the right side. So sine theta equal to root over 1 minus cos square theta. Now the way we made sine square theta alone, now you make cos square theta alone. So in that case, this sine square theta will go that side. Then it will become minus cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Cos theta equal to root over, because square if you remove you get root over 1 minus sine square theta root over. Same thing, square relation. Second square relation is sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. If you make sec square theta alone, then this minus tan square theta will go that side and become plus 1 plus tan square theta. And sec theta, if you remove square here, you get root over 1 plus tan square theta root over. Now similarly, if you make tan square theta alone, then sec square theta will move that side. But here we have minus. So first of all, I will show you in the rough. Suppose if you want to make tan square theta alone, and if you want to remove minus and make it plus, then do one thing. Take this tan square theta that side. Minus will become plus. And take this 1 this side. And plus 1 will become minus 1. And you will have sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. So if you interchange, tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. That means this portion I brought here and this portion I brought here. So same thing I have done here. Tan square theta, this portion I have written here. So I am making tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. And if you remove square, we get root over. Same thing I have done in the rough also. So here sec square theta minus 1 root over. Now number 3 is square relation. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. If you take this minus portion that side, it will become plus. So 1 plus cot square theta, and cosec square theta becomes alone. And cosec theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta root over, because you removed square. Now similarly, if you make cot square theta alone, but there is minus here, you need positive here. So what you do, same thing, just like in this portion I have done, same thing. Take this minus cot square theta that side, it will become plus, and bring this 1 this side, it will become minus, and this is the result. And interchange it. Take right to the left and left to the right. This portion you get cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Same thing here, cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. And if you remove square here, you get root over here. So this, actually there are 15 formulas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 here, 5 here, 5 here. But actually it is only 3. So you remember the first one, the next 4 is automatic. Remember the first one, next 4 is automatic. Come to the next part, that is reciprocal relations. Now sine theta equal to 1 by cosec theta, and cosec theta equal to 1 by sine theta. That means when sine is here, cosec is here, and when cosec is here, sine is here. And cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta equal to cos theta. Same here, the partner of cos is sec and sec is cos. Here partner of sine is cosec. Tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta, cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Partner of tan is cot. This is the reciprocal formula. And same reciprocal formula, if there is square here, here also you will get a square. Like sine square theta equal to 1 by cosec square theta. Same formula, for square, here also is square. So for everyone it is same. If you have a square here, automatic square will be on the other side also. So same thing I have repeated here. Now quotient relations, another type of formula. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. And if there is a square here, same thing, tan square theta equal to sin square theta by cos square theta. Same formula, but for square, everywhere there will be square. Same thing. And algebraic formula, you should remember formula of a plus b whole square. We all know a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2b plus b square, and a square minus b square. Very important formula, a plus b into a minus b. This three formula also sometimes is required in this chapter. Now I will show you each and every formula on the my exercise how I have used. So there are six trigonometrical identities, and they are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta, which you have learned in class 9 also. So let us start the exercise. I will take exercise 16a, page 16-7. So I have taken very easy question, 15 number. 1 to 14 I did not do because it is very easy and normally doesn't come in exam, but this type of questions are very important. So I am beginning, and this is also very easy, and 1 to 14 I will give you as homework every day in my video. In fractionally I will give you homework. So very challenging questions I am doing here, easy questions I will be giving you as homework. Now cos square a by sin square a plus 1 multiplied with tan square a equal to 1 by cos square a. So you have to prove that. Prove that means you have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So first I will start with LHS. LHS equal to same, the LHS part. Before equal to whatever is there, that part I rewrote here. So again rewriting here, same thing. Now I have to prove this portion that it is 1 by cos square a. Like if there is theta in the formula, then we get theta on the other side. But if there is a, you have to discuss the same formula in a also. That means writing theta or a is all same. Don't take it otherwise or different way. Now if I will do LCM here, then here my upper part will be cos square a plus this will multiply with 1, and I will get sin square a by sin square a into tan. This is all about LCM, but tan square a I wrote sin square a by cos square a. You will say, how sir? Just now I had told you tan square theta equal to sin square theta by cos square theta. Same formula I wrote here. Now sin square a up and down multiply can cancel, and here cos square a plus sin square a is 1. How it is 1? Again formula. You can see here square relation, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, or I can say cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Both are same formula. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, and here nothing is there means 1 is there, 1 by cos square a. If you multiply with 1, same thing I get. So it is equal to RHS. So I can write RHS also is same. What is here? RHS is same, and LHS equal to RHS proved. Number 16, sin to the power 4 theta plus sin square theta cos square theta equal to sin square theta. This is LHS, this is RHS. First I will take LHS. Same thing I wrote here, and after writing what I did one technique here. I took in this both the portion sin square theta is common, because sin 4 means sin square is even inside here. So I wrote sin square theta common. So from power 4, 2 will be reduced because 2 has come outside, and 2 more power will remain inside. That means here sin square theta will remain, and from here sin square theta is out, only cos square theta will remain. That means sin square theta into this portion I can say 1, because just now sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So same thing, and sin square theta into 1 is sin square theta. RHS is same, I can say RHS also is same, and LHS equal to RHS proved. Some more questions. Number 17, sin to the power theta plus 2 sin square theta cos square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta equal to 1. LHS I wrote same. From here to here I wrote LHS, this is RHS. So from here I made a formula. A formula is hiding, that formula I am exposing here. Like power 4 I wrote like this, 2 inside 2 outside. Power 4 I wrote 2 inside 2 outside. and this middle portion I wrote same. Now you can see it's a formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. That means who is a here? Sin square theta is a. Same a is here and cos square theta is b. Same b is here. So a square plus 2ab plus, so that means a plus b whole square formula is there. That means a is sin square theta, cos square theta is b. A plus b whole square. And this both combined, if you can see, it is 1 because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 square is 1. That means RHS also is 1. LHS equal to RHS proved. Number 18. LHS same thing I wrote up to here. And after writing what I did, sin power 4a into cosec square a, I wrote the reciprocal formula. I wrote 1 by sin square a. I will show you reciprocal formula here. Cosec square theta is 1 by sin square theta. Same thing. Same thing I am doing here. Cosec square a is 1 by sin square a. Plus cos power 4a multiplied sec square a, I wrote 1 by cos square a. Sec square theta is 1 by cos square theta. Same thing. For a I have to write a. For theta I will write theta. For a I will write a. So 1 by cos square a. And I can cancel same coefficient. This whole portion will cancel and power 4 will become 2 because it is 4 and it is 2. So 2 will remain. So sin square a plus cos square a will remain, which is equal to 1. RHS equal to 1. LHS equal to RHS proved. So children, interesting chapter, but we should remember the formula very in a very important way. Very important that we should learn all the formula. So please by heart all the formula and then try to understand this chapter. Very interesting and very easy. Thank you children.